Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for Christopher in Alabama on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Christopher, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune and alignment, unlock the clarifier for you. This thing, it's got a on-off for your amp, so if you're close to one of your other drivers and don't want to drop that hammer on them, you can leave it off, and basically it's a 40-50 watt radio. Flip it on and I'll show you what we got there. So RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Got you set around 25 watts or so, and that's just in case you decide to run an amp later on in the future, but it will need to be excuse me, a 16 pillar bigger. Okay, 125 all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Hello, around 210 bird average. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So 500 plus right there, and I'll roll it all the way down for you. So if you're driving that into the amp, if you ever get one, then you're still swinging over 500 watts. And I got down. All right, Christopher, got this thing ready to go. We'll meet up with you real soon. For your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.